Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. You are welcome from Pakistan International School. Dive into second spell of virtual classes. My lovely student, this is the maths lesson and Mrs. Cash bring it back and you are in KG Seniors virtual class. This is the second recorded lesson which I bring for you. My lovely students, learn, play and grow together and enjoy your lesson. The first thing which you need to learn is how to enjoy your lessons, okay? You need to love your lessons and enjoy your lessons. If you don't like it, you could not learn it. The first thing you need to learn is to enjoy your lessons, and math is the fun part of our studies. So let's start our fun part. This is the page from the workbook, but I'm not going to start the lesson from here. So, my lovely student, I would start this fun with the counting, and this is my favorite part. And we used to revise our counting at the end of our classes, but here I like to just start my lesson from it. So, my lovely students, just join me and keep counting loudly and repeat after me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Well done. Let's continue. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Let's count it like this: 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Well done. We are halfway. We just counted almost half, more than a half. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Well done. Loudly and repeat after me. Come on, we are just going to finish it. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Well done. Come on, continue with me. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. Yes, you did it. It is such a fun. You are revising and learning. Even if you know, you need to keep revising so it stays fresh in your memory and you can learn more. So, my lovely students, for today, this is your homework in your notebook. In previous lessons, you have write it down from 1 to 50, and now we will continue because you have to organize and manage your notebooks. Okay, pay attention to your notebook. So you will mention your name, write homework here, and date. Then we will start from 51. Okay, and you will write till 100, from 51 to 100, and then write it neatly in the separate boxes, but try to use a notebook with the big blocks. And if you don't have that notebook, better to buy it from schools. And if you have English notebooks, even you can write down your homeworks there. But please don't write in the small notebook, small blocks, which are available in all the bookshop. Okay, so let's revise our spellings, counting in words. SIX6, repeat after me. SIX6, SIX6. SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, NINE 9, TEN 10, TEN 10. Let's try to revise it. SIX6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, and TEN 10. Let's try to learn it and repeat after me loudly. If you repeat after me loudly, if you do not know it, you will still be able to learn it because it is the best. Come on. SIX6 is the most easy one. SIX6, SEVEN 7. So just first SEV and then EN, okay? SEVEN, SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8. Well done. SEVEN 7. I know the 8 is sometimes a little bit, take a time to learn. So let's revise it here with me. EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8. Well done. EIGHT 8, NINE 9. Come on, repeat after me so you would be able to learn it with me. NINE 9. Well done. NINE 9. TEN 10, TEN 10, the easiest one. So that's great. Now let's try to revise a table. And let me remind you once again, you are not supposed to write it. You are just going to revise it so that it can stay fresh in your memory. Okay? The homeworks are only the pages which I will mention to write it down. The tables and the spellings in this lesson is just to revise. So repeat after me. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Well done. 2 ones are 2. Repeat after me. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Well done. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Well done. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. Amazing. You are doing such a great job. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. And 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20, 2 tens are 20. My lovely student, you are going to just learn it this way. Do not use any tricks to write the table. So if anyone from anywhere tell you 2 6 are, you will just suddenly say 12. And if anyone tell you to 4 2 2 you will say 4. You have to revise it perfect. This is the best and this is the key to maths. If you have a key, you can open this drawer of maths. If you do not have a key, then you will be crying and just looking at the drawer of maths. So the tables are the key to maths. So learn it perfectly. Don't use any tricks to write it down. The goal here is not to write the table, to learn it. If anyone tell you 2 nines are, you would say in a microsecond 18. If from anywhere to 3s are, you would say 6. Okay. In the next lessons, I would try to bring some games and such things which will help you enhance your skill from recalling from between the tables. But till then, keep learning it and note this down. This is the key to maths. Okay, well done. So my lovely students, this is a book page from your GABA maths book, and this is page number, I think, 26. Yes, this is page number 26. And it also says tens and units. Write how many tens and units. I have told you that previous lesson that this in which there were strips. When it have 10 unit, it is collectively called 110. Okay, and the separate blocks here are called units. So let's find it out how many block this strip have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. Okay, means one strip with the 10 blocks. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is another 10. 1, 2, 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is another 10. So how many tens we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 tens, and you will write it here. 3 tens. Now, in this block, how many units? Because these are separate, these are not in group. So we would call it units. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 units. How many? 6 units. 3 tens and 6 units. Now, they are asking you how many tens and how many units here. And let's find it out. This strip have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these strips have 10, 10 blocks, mean they are tens. This is also 10, this is also 10, 10, 10. So how many tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, how many tens we have? 4 tens. And these are separate blocks. We would call it units. What would we call it? Yes, we would call it units. How many units we have? Let's find it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 units. Here we have 4 tens and 7 units. See, it is such a fun activity, just like a game. Isn't it? I have told you maths is a game. You have to enjoy it, and you need to learn to enjoy it. So let's jump to another part. We are in the same page, isn't it? No, we are not. I just patch this question here. Tens and units, write how many tens and units. This is the same page, but I patched this question here. So it gave me the impression that maybe it is the start of the page. So my lovely students, let's count it down and find it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, let's find it out. All steps have 10. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also 10. All these strips are 10. 10 means with the 10 blocks. So let's find it out. How many 10s we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10s we have. How many 10 we have? 6 10. Yes. Now these are separate blocks which we would call units. Let's find it out. How many units we have? 1, 2, 3. How many units? 3 units. 6 tenths and 3 units. My lovely student, with the help of you try to read this as well. Tenths, okay? This is the spelling of 10 and units, okay? Try to read it yourself. Now you can read, isn't it? This is still written 10. This is a written unit. So here beneath you will write 6 and here you would write 3 because here you have 6 tenths and 3 units. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 and 2. We have 2 tenths. So write it down beneath the tenths written here. Now these separate blocks are units because they are not in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have 9 units. Here we have 2 tenths and 9 units. See my lovely students, how much fun it is. Did you enjoy maths? Yes, you have to. I also really enjoy to teach you because maths is such a fun activity. So you are going to write down this page and the page with the homework which I mentioned, okay? The homework page which I mentioned, counting from 51 to 100. This is your homework in notebook, okay? This maths GABA page and counting from 51 to 100. These two are your homework. So my lovely student, write it down perfectly, mention name, write homework and date, and then take a clear picture and send it to your concerned teacher. The teacher will check it carefully and then would send it back to you. So my lovely student, it was such a fun having you in my maths class, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson and are learning everything perfectly. Stay home, stay safe, and lots of love. Till then, next lesson, goodbye.